Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Jessica. Subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm taking two videos and putting them together to create this one vlog for you guys. So the first half of this video is going to be a PR unboxing as well as just like normal mail unboxing that I've gotten throughout the week. And the second half of this video will be sharing how much I made selling all of my unwanted clothes. In case you missed it, a few videos back, I did share a major closet decluttering. So what I wanted to sell, I took to Platos Closet and I sold as much as I could. I show you guys how much I made, also what they didn't take, which was pretty surprising in my opinion. So if you want to see all of that, then just keep on watching. So this right here is what we're going to be unboxing today. So let's jump right into it. I am going to be honest. I'm going to be completely honest. I have opened all of these except for this one. I did put everything back in the boxes to make it look like it was brand new, but I opened it. I'm sorry. I just couldn't help myself. But this one, I tried my best not to open it. Okay, so this one is from Inkbox. I know what's inside, I just don't know what they look like. So this is gonna be surprising. So these are the Inkbox temporary tattoos. It comes in a set of two, and I've heard about Inkbox for a long time. I'm so happy that now I get to try them out. So let me show you guys what the inside looks like. Okay, so it comes with a primer wipe, two primer wipes for each tattoo, a list of instructions, of course, and then the tattoos. I don't know if I want to open them just because I just want to keep them like sanitary, but this is their size. So this is the rose one, and then this is the barbed wire heart. They are a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, now let's open this one up. This one has a moon and a mountain, which I'm so curious to know how big these are gonna be. Okay, so these mountains are a lot smaller than I was expecting, and so is the moon. Here is the mountain, and here is the moon. So I'm gonna actually film a video of me trying these on, as well as giving you guys a first impressions over on Instagram and TikTok. So if you aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok, I would highly recommend you do so if you are interested in seeing what these actually look like. I think I'm gonna do a poll to get your guys' input on where I should place the tattoos. Moving on to the next package, this one right here is from Platos Closet, and inside they sent over this little pouch. I'm assuming it's like a makeup pouch, but honestly it could be a really cute clutch. So inside of the pouch is a little handwritten card and a makeup product. So the makeup product that they sent was the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. This is in the shade She's Blushing, and the note says, Jess, we were so happy to see you love the look that Patrick did on Alex. We wanted to make sure you got some of the products he used. Thank you for all the support. So Alex Earl, if you don't know Alex Earl, you're living under a rock, but she is a TikTok girly who got really popular for doing Get Ready With Me's. Well, she recently did a video with Platos Closet, and I commented on the video because honestly, Patrick slayed her glam. I thought it was so gorgeous. And then I got an email from the Platos Closet team asking if I wanted to receive some free makeup. And I was like, yes, I would absolutely love. So they sent over this product, which was the blush that they used on her. So I'm super excited to open this up and see what it looks like, because I haven't opened it yet. I only opened up the package and like got a glimpse, but okay, so here is what it looks like. First and foremost, this packaging, absolutely stunning, like the rose gold, love it. So here's a closer look at the blush. This powder color is so pretty, and then I like how the cream is protected by this little plastic mechanism right here. It's such a cool idea, and then it also comes with a full-size mirror, and I'm also very excited to wear this and try it. I was actually gonna create a makeup look where I use this like on my cheeks and on my eyes, but then I got like some sort of situation with my eye going on right now. It's kind of crusty, so that's why I'm not wearing any eye makeup currently. I'm not really sure what's going on there, but anyways, let's talk about the bag for a second. So it has a magnetic closure, and then this like situation where you can like pull it closed. Thank you, Platos Closet Beauty. So this next package I did purchase myself, and it is a pair of shoes that I got from Shein. Long story short, I've really been wanting some dunks, and I'm just like not so sure if I'm actually going to wear them or if I just like the idea of having them. And instead of dropping over $100 just to get the Nike dunks, I thought, why don't I get some that look similar to dunks, that are kind of like within the same style realm, and if I actually wear them a lot, then I can consider buying the actual real Nike dunks. So anyways, these are the shoes. I have worn them already, so they might be a little dirty, sorry about that, but these are the shoes right here. So these retailed for, I believe, like $23 if I'm not mistaken, and they are very, very comfortable. They are very lightweight and they fit perfect. I wear a size 8, and I got these in a size CN 40. and I'd say that they fit true to size. So I'm gonna see if I actually wear these and if I can style them multiple ways, and if I find myself wearing them a ton, and if I wear these out completely, then that'll be a sign to get the Nike Dunks, but otherwise I probably will just stick with these. So yeah, really like these. Moving on to the next package. This right here is PR from Shein, and I'm actually working with them right now on their spring sale campaign. So I did open a lot of these already. This one right here had I believe it was like a disco ball planter. I did take it out already, but I'll show you guys. I'll insert a video of what it looks like so that way you guys can get an idea. So it's a lot smaller than I was anticipating, but it's really cute. Although I will say that like the actual glass pieces on the disco ball are kind of like ill placed. They're really crooked in some areas, and it doesn't look like it was very well made, but I mean, like from far away you can't really tell, so do with that what you will. And then I also opened up this package as well, and here was a faux plant, and this is what the faux plant looked like. It's super long. However, I wanted to shorten it up a bit, so I just tucked it into the planter where I put the plant in, and it looks a lot better. So I like how I can like customize the length by tucking it into a pot that I have. And then the last thing for home decor, I got this sunset lamp. So this sunset lamp, again, I did try, and it's pretty small but works surprisingly well. So it comes with this remote control where you can change the light settings. You can also change like if they flash, if they strobe, how they fade in and out, the brightness, which is pretty cool. And the light itself is this right here. Like I said, it's super tiny, but it actually works pretty damn well. So this is it right here. And this does have a USB, so you actually have to plug it into like a little box for iPhones, or just like, you know, I know some outlets have the USB built into them, mine do, so I just plug it into that. But if you don't have that, then you can just like plug it into your iPhone charger and it'll work. But yeah, pretty good for the price and for how small it is. I was impressed. And then the rest of what's in here is clothes, so I'm gonna show you guys one by one, and I'll also include footage of me actually styling each item, or like how I would wear it styled, because I did do that already. Like I said, I had to film some videos for this. So first up is this denim mini skirt. So it's pretty short in my opinion, but it's super cute though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's super cute. It is just a little bit short, and I don't know how comfortable I would feel wearing it out, but I can always wear shorts underneath. So I got this in a size medium, and it does fit true to size. It doesn't fit like super high-waisted and not low-waisted either. It's kind of like mid-rise, if you will. And I really like the wash of it as well. It does have a raw hemline. Then I have this orange tank top, which I did pair with that mini skirt. The fabric of this is very stretchy. It's also soft. It has like a rib knit material. And like I said, it's just very comfy, very soft. I like the cutout of like this area and the neckline. It's super flattering, and I feel like it's just a good crop top for like spring and summertime. And I'm also wearing this in a size medium, and it does fit true to size. Then I have this black bodycon dress. I love the length. I also love the material. It's super stretchy but very thick and soft. I also like this little twist detail that it has at the front, and it also has like puff sleeves with elastic around the arms, but it is very comfy, and it has ruching like right here on the side. So I feel like this is just super flattering on the body, and I can see myself wearing this like dressed down like I did with the sneakers, or dressed up with a pair of heels depending on the occasion. I am a sucker for florals in the spring and summertime, so when I saw this one, I thought it was the perfect color for spring. This lavender is stunning. I also like the little detailing that it has along the front. So it has like ruching detailing with a little tie front detail. The straps on this are adjustable. I got a size medium, and it does fit true to size. It also has a side zipper closure right here. This fabric has no stretch, but it's very opaque, and I feel like it's super cute. So I really like this, and I'm excited to wear it. And the last item from Shein is this bodysuit right here. I love the emerald green color. It's so beautiful. Also, the ruching detailing is stunning. So the back is backless, but it has this crisscross detailing on it, which is so hot. And I did get this in a size medium. It does fit a little small when I clasp it together here at the bottom. When I do, this top portion like really slides down, which makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable. So I am still gonna keep it though, and I'm gonna still wear it. I'm just going to unclasp it. That way I can like bring up the top a little bit more. If I would have known that it would run small, I would definitely go up a size. So if you are interested in this, I would recommend going up a size. because I really wish that I would have gotten a large instead of a medium. And the last package is from Dream Pairs, which is a shoe brand. I've worked with them before, and I've honestly purchased so many of their shoes on my own because they sell them on Amazon, so they get to your house in literally like a day, which is fabulous. So the shoes that I got from them are a pair of sandals. So these are the sandals that I got. They are a chunky sandal. I like how they have a little bit of a platform on them as well, and this like crisscross detail. Also, the texture of them is like squishy, kind of like cloud-like, which is so cool and different. I don't own a pair like this at all. So I did share some ways to wear these and to style these for the spring season. I'll show you guys right here. So I got these in a size 8, and they do fit true to size. They also have these in a few other colors. I believe they have them in like beige, white, and a few colorful ones. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll put them up on the screen, the ones that they do have. So yeah, these are super cute. I cannot wait to actually wear them out. It's been rainy all week here, so I haven't had the opportunity to wear these out and about, but I'm just waiting for the weather to clear out so that I can actually put these to use because they're just so cute. So that's everything that I've gotten in the mail over the last couple days. I will have everything linked down below in the description box in case you want to check out anything that I mentioned in this unboxing. So now let's move on to part 2 of the video. Today, we're selling all of my unwanted clothing. In one of my previous videos, I did a major closet decluttering where I decluttered my entire closet. I'm going to be showing you guys how much I make on all the items that I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be taking all my clothes to Platos Closet and seeing what they want to buy and seeing what they don't. So let's go.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm back home now from Platos Closet, and before I show you guys how much I made, I want to show you guys the items that they did not buy, which I was kind of surprised by. So first up, we have 3 bodysuits. This one, and this one, which I thought were all pretty good, but apparently not enough. So another thing that I found really interesting is that they didn't take matching sets as sets. So for example, there's 2 items that they did not take that were part of sets. So this top right here actually had some like elastic waistband bottoms. I'm sure you guys remember. And they did not take the top, but they only took the bottoms, which was, again, like I said, interesting. Same goes for this. This is actually a blazer top with matching like trousers. They took the trousers, but they didn't take the blazer. And it kind of makes me sad that they didn't keep the sets together, but I mean, it is what it is. And then they also did not take this top, which I thought was gonna for sure go because it's a beautiful color for the spring season. Like this lavender is absolutely divine, but they didn't take it. So I'm like, should I keep it? But let's be real, I'm not gonna wear it. This black blazer was another one that I was really surprised by because black blazers are such a staple piece. I already own a black blazer and I didn't need 2, which is the only reason why I'm getting rid of this one. Otherwise, I would still hold on to it. But it's a great blazer, so I'm really confused as to why they didn't buy it. And then lastly for apparel is this long t-shirt dress. And the rest of them are accessories. So these are all the accessories they didn't buy, which is basically all the shoes. They took only 1 pair of shoes, which I was really surprised by because these colors scream spring to me. And these are pretty nice, hardly ever worn, so again, shocking. Same goes for these. These are brand new. Never have even stepped foot outside with these shoes, and they didn't take them. And then the bag, they did not take this bag right there. So in total, I gave them about 60 of my own items, and my husband actually decluttered his own stuff, and he probably put in there, I'd say 20-ish items. So there was about, let's say 80-ish items in total, and they ended up buying about 70 of those items, which is absolutely insane. And I got $222 for about 70 items, which I didn't think was a bad deal at all. So I'm so glad that I was able to sell those pieces to make some quick money because now I can actually use this money for things that I actually need. And I'm actually gonna be going on a cruise very soon, so that can definitely go towards that. So that wraps up the end of this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!